Now we have come to the conclusion part, wherein how to overcome these 5 obstacles. Okay, because we just spoke about food, but food is 20% only. Other than food, water energy is 20%, air energy is 20, sleep energy is 20%, fire energy is 20%. So we will also see how to keep our mind uncorrupted. Okay, so first one is food energy. So what are the things we should take care when we are eating food? Okay, so very first point, which has say 90% of percentage marks, is eat only when you are hungry. When you will be hungry, when every whatever energy was there in your body
Consumption is already exhausted. Then you will.
then only you will feel hungry. So hungry means your hydrochloric acid is ready in your stomach, and every part is waiting for you to eat food. At that time, when you eat food, everything will become good calcium, good glucose, and good fat. Then you will have immediately you will get energy, and you will feel energetic also. Okay, so next point is eat with closed lips. Closed lips means uh, when you're chewing, when you're putting food in your mouth and you're chewing, you should chew like this. Okay, not like that, cannot, because when you all the enzymes are actually there in our saliva inside our mouth. So when you open it, these enzymes will fly away, and it will not be digested properly. So 50% digestion happens in our mouth itself. So that's why we should keep our mouth closed when we are chewing our food, and we need to pay attention to the food while we are eating. We actually don't teach what to eat, we actually teach how to eat. Whatever you want you can eat, but how you need to eat is we will tell you. Okay, so paying attention to your food means what? You cannot watch TV, you cannot read a book, you cannot use your phone. But one day if you try, right, only one time, you will see the difference. So you will be motivated to follow it only one time, because this treatment, that is the specialty of this treatment. You can see the changes immediately after the meal. You will find that your stomach is not bloated at all, and you don't actually need to eat that much. If we pay attention to what we are eating, by chewing it properly, you can eat a bit and you will get more energy, and then you will be motivated to follow, because you will not feel bloated. To pay attention to your food while eating, and chew your food till it becomes a paste. Okay, so why we say chew your food is because if you don't chew it properly and you gobble it with big mouthful, the stomach has a hydrochloric acid, right? So it will if you eat 1-2 mouth, right, your hydrochloric acid will be used up to digest this 2-3 mouthful itself. So after that, whatever you are eating, it is not going to be digested. Even the stomach will curse you. Hey, why you are throwing all the food like this? How will I digest this? So it will use up everything in the first 2 mouthful. So after that, the 38 mouthful, whatever you are eating, for example, if you take 40 mouthfuls, the 38 mouthful, whatever you are eating, it is just going to remain as waste. It will not be digested, and it will become bad glucose, bad fat, and bad calcium. Okay, so chewing your food will also help you to reduce weight. To reduce the tummy, this is the only solution that we give. Just chew your food properly and make it into a paste before you swallow. This is the only thing you can do to reduce weight. No need to do exercise also, but just chewing food will maintain your weight. Next is, you should take liquid food after half an hour of the food, or before half an hour. And you should not drink water or any liquid while you are having food. Okay, so water or any drinks that you are taking, what will happen is it will dilute the hydrochloric acid. So that is why we say that don't drink water, any liquid, not just water, any liquid, half an hour before. So if you have taken water or soup or something now, wait for half an hour, then you eat food. Then after eating food also, you should not immediately drink a lot of water. Maybe you can take a sip, 1 or 2 sip you can take, but if you want to drink a lot, you should wait for at least half an hour. So if you do this, then what will happen is your digestion will be 100%, and you will get only good calcium, good fat, and good glucose. Okay, so only few conditions, right? Eat only when you're hungry. Eat with closed lips. Pay attention to your food while eating. Chew
And
your
chew properly.
and chew properly. And don't take water. So don't watch TV, don't read a book, don't talk while eating. Okay, so when you talk also the same thing, your mouth will be open and then the enzymes will fly away. So at least don't talk when you have food in your mouth. Okay, anything you can eat, there is no limit to how much you are eating. Only thing is you need to know
How you are eating.
yeah, how you are eating. That is the only thing. Okay.